Hey, what's up, guys? It's nut check time. I'm fixing to take the Bergara B14R to 100 yards. Before we start, a quick rundown on the rig I'm shooting today. Now I'm going to shoot 7 or 8 different ammos at 100 yards, 5-shot groups. Now, the gun has been recently cleaned. It's also fouled. I'm going to start out with some of the inexpensive ELEY, work my way up, and we'll see how this thing does. Now, this is the first time I've shot it at 100 yards on camera, so don't be too hard on my big ass. And during the video, during the reloading process, I'll fast forward, that way I don't bore the shit out of you. All right, here we go. We're starting out with the ELEY Club. All right, ELEY target. I'm kind of working my way from the least expensive ammo up to the most expensive. That don't mean it's going to group better, it just costs more.
Oh, that sucks.
All right, now the ELEY team. That's what I'm talking about. By the way, if you're looking online for ELEY team and you can't find it, because I bought all that shit up. That stuff shoots great out of this damn rifle. All right, now the ELEY match. And if it looks like I'm rushing, the reason I'm doing that, I'm trying to catch it where the wind conditions are the same. If guys have ever shot 500 or 1,000 yards and shot for score, they understand what that's like. All right, let's go. Okay, I can live with that too. All right, now the ELEY Tenet. Yeah, so. All right, now I'm gonna try 2 different brands of ammo. I'm gonna shoot the SK rifle match. I'm gonna shoot at least 1 Fowler and then shoot 5, and then we'll see what it does. I'm gonna shoot a couple of Fowlers out of it. I'll fast forward through the Fowler, and that way you don't waste your time with that shit, because I'm not gonna shoot the target. Yeah, I'll just waste them. Man, that shit's stringing vertically like a bitch. All right, now the RWS special match, probably the best group that I've shot on camera, I shot with this. Couple of Fowlers. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Three of them look damn good. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot 5 more. We'll say that we're seasoning it and see how it does. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, I'm going to be taking my CZ 457 to 100 yards also, and I have a brand new CZ on the way from Midwest Pond in Missouri. I'm going to have one in a particular type of chassis, one in a different kind of chassis. Both of them going to have Timney triggers. I'm going to have them pimped out like crazy. Everything but spinning wheels and curb feelers. It's going to have all that shit. I may even put some fur on the damn things. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, check out this video, this playlist, and I hope that you'll stick in there for the rest of my rimfire reviews because I've got a lot of them planned. Thanks, guys.